How to get verified on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Ever dreamed of having that blue tick next to your profile name? Then you are on the right place. In today's video, we will see the procedures that needs to be followed up in order to get that blue tick by Meta verifying your Facebook account. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook application. You will land to its official homepage. Right here at the top, tap on the circle with your profile picture. You will land to menu page. Over here, tap on settings icon. Under Accounts Center, there is a tab named as Verification. Tap on it. Scroll down. Under Account Settings, tap on Meta Verified. You will land to the official Meta verification page where all the magic happens. Before getting that blue tick, let's understand about the benefits of being Meta verified. First is, you will get a verified badge aka blue tick. Second is, you will have increased account protection. Third is, you will get instant support when needed. And the final one is, you will get access to unique stickers to which other normal accounts don't have access to. Note that not all Facebook users can get a blue tick, so make sure you have checked the eligibility requirements from Meta. Let's start the verification process. Tap on Next. You will be asked to select the profile for which you want to get Meta verified. If you have multiple accounts, then you will get discount for subscription and you could save money, so make sure either you want to get blue tick for single account or multiple accounts if you have. Select the account by tapping on Sign up this profile. You will land to Confirm and Pay section. Right here, tap on Pay to get benefits. A menu will appear saying start by adding your payment method. Add your credit or debit card and make the payment successful. After payment is done, Meta will confirm your identity and that might take up to 2 days. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be Meta verified and get that blue tick next to your profile name. If unfortunately Meta could not verify your identity, then you will be refunded your amount that you have paid as a subscription fee. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.